Eric, you've looked a lot into this question of companies developing and exporting surveillance technology around the world, mostly from Western countries. How big a problem do you think this is?
I mean, it's huge. At the moment we have no regulations at all on the export of surveillance technology, and so what we have are companies with a license to ship anywhere. The government is not at the moment taking enough steps. I think that there's a lot more that the government can be doing to help control this. The situation as it stands is that British companies can create and sell mass surveillance technology, and with the exception of Syria and Iran, can ship it anywhere in the world.
And from your work, and you've visited various trade fairs that sell this sort of technology, I mean, would you say some of these guys are operating at or beyond the fringes of the law? They're sort of cowboys in some sense?
Well, as it stands, they're operating firmly within the constraint of the law. This is the big problem, but in terms of moral obligations, in terms of their responsibilities to society, it's abhorrent what they're doing. They're providing tools to repressive regimes. They're actively encouraging that because they use that as part of their sales demonstrations. We have memos that have been leaked to us from companies that are saying this is the perfect tool to spy on your political opponents. That's how they see these technologies, that's how they understand it, and they have no qualms with shipping that wherever they'd like.
And in your experience, Britain and Germany are doing a lot of this exporting, and in the case of Berlin, there's a suggestion some of those smaller companies may actually have once had links to the Stasi.
Well, there's this fascinating sort of issue that a number of the German-based companies were created in the early 90s, and there was this explosion of tens of companies, seemingly out of nowhere, and it took me until I watched The Lives of Others, until I just put two and two together and realised just how closely aligned that was. It's quite remarkable to think that all these ex-Stasi officers have set up shop and are now just selling their wares to the worst of the worst.
Excellent, thank you very much.